Hello, how are you? Fine? Excellent. It's me, Sylvia. Are you okay? Yes? Excellent. Today we are going to learn something new in English. Are you ready? Yes? Here we go. Okay, what do you see? It's a cone. Okay, excellent. And what is a cone? Hmm. A cone has circular edge and a vertex, okay, and a curved surface. Okay, do you see the shape of the cone? Yes? Okay, we are going to see some examples of cone shape. Okay, I see a cone here in this ice cream. Excellent. Oh, and I see a cone, okay, in this hot birthday. Okay, excellent. What do you see here? Okay, I see a cone here in this toy. Excellent. Oh, look at this. This is another cone. Okay, and we have this other. Excellent. Very good. Okay, now you are going to count with me. Okay, ready? Yes, remember that we are going to count 1, 2, 30. Okay, here we go. Count, count, count with me. Count with me from 1 to 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Excellent. You did a great job. Give me 5. Excellent. Okay. And what do you see here? I see an spider. Okay. Do you see where the spider is? Yes. The spider is behind. Okay. And where is the spider? Oh, the spider is in front of. Okay, we are going to see another examples. Behind, in front of. Okay, excellent. Okay, where is the spoon? Okay, the spoon is behind the cup. Okay, excellent. Where is the spoon? The spoon is in front of the cup. Okay, excellent. Look at these other pictures. Where is the frog? Okay, the frog is in front of the shoe. Excellent. And where is the duck? The duck is behind the fence. Excellent. Very, very good. You did a great job. Excellent. And remember, don't worry. Be happy. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.